Today I'm going to show you my very favorite envelope pillow technique, the easiest way to make an envelope pillow ever in the history of envelope pillows. First, you're going to start with your main body fabric. I chose this beautiful fabric from Coriander Quilts. I have actually ironed to the back of this some Shape Flex 101, which is a fusible interfacing. That is a step you don't need to do, but I like the extra body it gives my fabric. Then you're going to take 2 more squares that are cut the exact same size as your pillow top. You get to determine what size your pillow top is going to be and what size pillow form you're using. This is an 18-inch square. I know when it's done being sewed, it will be probably about 16 inches. And even though I have an 18-inch pillow form in, this is just the perfect size. Makes it nice and snug. Our first step after we have our pillowcase fabric cut out is to lay one of our backing squares to our front pretty sides together, and I'm going to go sew a little seam down the edge. Here we go. Edges together. I'm going to put my leader in. Keep my edges together. Let's go back to the cutting table. So now you can see I have one side of my back sewn. Now I'm going to take the other back and I'm going to do the very same thing. I'm going to line that up. And back we go and sew along this edge, about a 1/2 inch seam. This time I've grabbed my pin cushion. We're going to go back to our cutting table or a flat surface so you have room to lay everything out. And this is where the magic is going to happen. I'm going to take the piece I just sewed and I'm going to fold it in half, raw edges to raw edges like so. So I have this piece right here. Then I'm going to take the other back side and bring it all the way across, lining up my edges. Now this is where I'm going to pin. I want to hold all those layers together. Just a couple pins on each side is all you need. I'm doing about 3 per side. I'm going to rotate and I'm going to line up the edges and pin the other side. And now it's back to the sewing machine. And we're going to sew down both of these sides right here, and I will have an open side for turning my pillow right here. Let's go back to the cutting table. Now I'm going to clip my corners, making sure that I don't clip too close to my intersecting seams right there. All 4 sides. Now comes the magic. You'll turn it first. Oh, maybe. With your long piece tucked in, make sure you poke out your corners. You can get a stiletto or a chopstick and poke out your corners. Go ahead at this point and slide your pillow form in right here, and then you would just turn this piece over your pillow form and work your pillow corners out. That's a little trickier, but they come out. And when you're all done, now you have a pillow perfect for decorating for Christmas, perfect for gift giving, perfect for any home beautification project that you might have. Be sure to grab your own Smart Start Quilters Toolkit with 6 bonus training videos of what I wish I knew when I started quilting.